8 contestants vying for 3 spots, as well as overall. Also, while we have the moment, everybody, we as an entire event, we want to make sure that you all are having a good time, and we all want to make sure that if there's anything that we did as an event out of character to disrespect anyone in the room, please feel free to come up to us and let us know what it is so that we can take care of it. Because if there's one thing that we like to instill throughout the family and where you go home is to make sure you respect. Respect is a huge thing. So as an event, I speak for the event. If there's anything that we did to maybe harm anybody or said anything incorrectly or anything like that, please feel free to come and let us know. Mahalo. Judges ready? Solos ready? Ready? Beautiful job, girls. You've made it this far. You deserve everything. New car, brand new clothes, a shopping spree. It's all good. Judges are satisfied. Thank you very much, young ladies.
Okay, our last group in the Tane Vahine, 14 to 17.
Judges ready? Solos, are you ready? Ready? 17-year-olds. There are 9 contestants vying for 3 spots. 14 to 17. Judges satisfied? Oh, there's some discussion over here, boy. Anytime you get a set of judges who are taking longer than usual, that means it's a good thing. How about a round of applause for these beautiful, young, talented women up here? Nice job. The judges are finally happy. Thank you so much, girls. You may exit to the left. Nice job. Way to let your hair down, Malia. Thank you, Auntie Jojo.
Tane Tane, ages 14 to 17, coming onto the stage now. Show them some love, family.
Judges ready. Solos ready. Ready. It's absolutely amazing because our friend Matani Kanuku said it perfectly yesterday. Without a theme, you don't have Odi. You must translate the theme into the Odi. The costumes is their theme. The beat is miscellaneous. It could be anything. But they've chosen to do their best to what they hear. Give these guys a nice round of applause, everybody. Marunua.